Hello, hello. So this was a requested video by you all. I did a poll on IG and the makeup look won over the hair tutorial. So this is why I'm here filming this look for you all. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. I did my brows already. I'm just gonna put my hair back so it doesn't get in the way. So to start, I'm going to be using this Bahama Mama by The Balm Cosmetics, and it's a bronzer. It looks just like this. I'm using the M200 by Morphe. So I'm just gonna pick it up with this brush and then start putting it in the crease area. Super simple. I don't like to take too long doing my makeup, so very simple. Do that on the other eye. Here, I might have to come a little closer here. Whoops. And I'm just doing that to the other eye. And I like to carry it out. Go to the other eye. Carry it out. Gosh, I feel like I have something in my throat. I'm going to take this brownie eyeshadow by Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, PM 124 brush, and it's like this. It's very like compressed together. The bristles are really nice, and it's a short little brush. To just add this to the mobile lid, just like this. I'm just gonna pack it on there. In love with these shadows. They're very pigmented and they stay on, they don't crease. All that you want in a shadow. I'm gonna add a little bit more on this side because I think I went a little overboard on the other eye. These two, and I'm literally just mixing them together. Just mixing those two together. And I'm just going to go in right along the crease area, just like this, and just blend those two together. So there's a perfect gradient. And it doesn't look like there's a separation between these two colors. So, just like that. Doing that to the other side. Why I select this brush is because it has a very like fine tip at the end, and then it kind of spreads out a little bit. So it allows you to go in the crease area with no problem whatsoever. Jing is of course very cute. I don't know, let's see. It's very metallic-y. And it has hints of like pink and like silvers, and I can even almost say it has a little bit of gold in it. I won't need a brush. I just take my finger right here, my ring finger, and pick up a little bit of product. And then I stare straight into the mirror, and then where my eye aligns, I go ahead and just press it, just like that. Just like that. Look how pretty this is. I'm in love with this. I hope they never discontinue it. There it is. Very pretty. So you don't want to spread this all over the mobile lid, just in the center. And you want to press it, don't like rub it in. There it is, very pretty. You can see it, it sparkles so beautifully. Okay. So we're pretty much almost done with the eye. I told you guys it was going to be very simple, very easy to achieve. Anyone can do it. I'm sure if you've watched my videos, you've seen that I'm a fan of this eyeliner. The brush is amazing too. The shape of it, it just makes it very easy for you to apply your liner very precisely. I'm going to go ahead and line my eye. So now what I'm going to do is curl my lashes, and of course I'm going to use my spoon. I love using the spoon to curl my lashes. It just gives it a nice natural look. And if you haven't yet watched my video on how to curl your lashes with a spoon, I have a whole tutorial in my videos, so go check it out. And stop using the regular curling lash tool. Okay, that is done. So now what I'm doing is going to go ahead and take my favorite lashes of all time, the Cocoa lashes in Goddess. Once I put the adhesive on each lash, I literally just set them down and let the adhesive get tacky before I place them on my eye. I'm just gonna, oop, I don't want to get it in my hair. So I'm just gonna apply, oh, my camera's overheating, you guys. So I might not be able to record all of it. Just give me 1 second. That's a problem I have with my camera right now. So I'm literally just applying it all over. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes. My camera overheats after a certain amount of time, so I had to give it a couple minutes to cool off. And I haven't done anything to my face other than apply my foundation. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer. So I haven't found anything better than the Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC because I have horrible under eyes, I feel, and this is the only thing that does it for me. And I use the color NC30. And I kind of use it to clean up my liner too, to make it more sharp. And then along the sides of my nose. So cleaning up my eyeliner here. Alongside my nose. Just like this, and then once I have it laid on there, I take this little beauty blender. It's easy to get in the little areas here. So I just press it. Blend it out like this. It's funny the weird faces we make when we're doing our makeup. Make sure it's nice and blended. Sometimes I do carry it up here and around my nose. I feel like I need better lighting. Okay, it looks all blended, and then I take whatever's remaining on my beauty blender and just put it right here and here. Okay, And then I'm taking my favorite brush. I've had this forever. It's an e.l.f. brush and it's a blush brush, but I just use it to add a little of my translucent powder. And I'm actually using the Ben Nye banana powder just because it has that yellow color to it, and I feel like it's flattering on my skin because I am a little more yellow. And I just kind of set that concealer. And it's really affordable. It's good quality because I've had this brush for a long time and I wash it all the time and it's still, you know, in good condition. Basically setting everywhere I place my concealer. Okay, once that is done, I am now going to take this Real Technique brush, looks like this, and I'm taking my Bahama Mama bronzer, the same one that I used in the crease area, and I'm just going to kind of contour. And I did a light contour, not too much, and it just kind of adds a little warmth to the skin. Especially because I felt like my foundation was just a little bit light, a little too light. Same brush, I just kind of go like this to get this type of a shape on it, and then I use it to kind of contour my nose a little bit. And then I also add some here. And it's nice because it all blends together. That's why I like using the same bronzer. And it's really easy. You don't need a whole bunch of different colors or anything like that. Very achievable. And then I'm going to be using this blush by Chanel, and this is Jersey number 80. And just adding that to the apples of my cheeks. Just like that. I think blush just makes us look a lot better, healthy, you know, prettier. Using my favorite formula by Chanel. This is the longwear lipstick. So you apply the color first, and then you do the gloss. The gloss is like a sealer, so you have to put it on no matter what. If you want a matte finish, I just blot on tissue, and that is it. Let's see. And I don't use a lip liner. I don't feel like it's necessary because the applicator, as you can see right here, is very fine, so it allows for precision. So I just kind of use it. I'm gonna just rub my lips together. So now I just give it a couple seconds for it to kind of get tacky, because that is the cue. That's when you apply your gloss. So give it a couple seconds. But look how pretty this color is. Okay, it's starting to get a little tacky. I feel like the longer I give it to dry, the longer it stays, so that is why I'm giving it a little extra time. Okay, it feels a little tacky now. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the gloss. I do like the glossy finish too. And the look that I did, I'm referencing. So it is glossy, so I'm gonna leave it glossy. We are still not finished because we're forgetting the most important part of our look, which is highlight. So I'm going to show you what I always use. I'm a big fan. I have tried many highlighters and none of them beat this one. So I'm going to take this Morphe 416 brush and I'm going to add a little Fix Plus to it. And I'm going to place it right in the inner part of my eye here. Just like that, it kind of opens up the eye. And then I like to add some here on the brow bone. And then of course, right here. On the other side. And add a little bit on my nose. And we cannot forget the mascara underneath our lower lash. Our lower lashes, we need mascara. And I'm using this Maybelline Falsies mascara. I've always used this. I've tried many mascaras. This does it for me. It's inexpensive. You can find it anywhere, any drugstore. I'm getting it underneath here. Ugh. I hate when that happens. What you do to one side, you must do to the other side. There it is. You guys, this is the complete look. And if you feel like you need a little bit more pop or more radiant skin, of course we can spray our Fix Plus. But yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super easy to achieve. And be aware, I'm going to film a hair tutorial. Even though the makeup look won on the IG poll, I felt like they almost tied. So I'm going to go ahead and make the hair tutorial. So I'll keep you guys updated with that. I love you all and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and see you in the next video. Mwah.